We are entering Auschwitz I, this kind of famous entrance that you can see, Arbeit macht frei, which is in German, which means work will set you free. And what always struck me about this is that's kind of the opposite of the gospel. It is the opposite of the gospel. What's really eerie about entering this horrific place is how you basically step into pure evil. This place was pure evil.
1.1 million is the estimated number of the victims of Auschwitz, and 90% of the victims were Jews. Auschwitz is one of the most important symbols of the Holocaust and the extermination of Jews. This is an urn containing human ash that is a symbolic commemoration of the victims of Auschwitz, the victims of the concentration camp and the victims of the extermination center.
So this is Birkenau, part of Auschwitz, which was the extermination camp. They would be led down this path if they were selected to be part of the group, would be murdered. The Germans would convince them that they would be coming here to work and everything would be fine, but they would first need to shower. This is where they would be selected and separated from family members based off of age, their ability to work. About 900,000 Jewish people were killed in this location. It's just incredibly hard to fathom this sort of human evil. But I think this location and then coming to this place to just begin to understand the Jewish narrative, the story and the struggle that has plagued the Jewish people throughout human history.